the final section of Poetry and Prose about Prayers and Hymns by Unicole Unicron of Unicult is about, or in response to, a small collection of talks and sermons by Unicole Unicron. Preeminent action continues with purpose. Repellent for the situation is the emotion that needs to change along the course. Intelligent progression is by smaller steps with less force. Repent of occupation that is mere acquisition and consider the sources. Sent forward are the accounts of only matriarchy based on patriarchy, rather than the oppression of equity denying equality, the rewards of positive and negative choices. Educate beyond service of a system, of a society that denies the advantages of individuality, which multiplies the resources. Contemplate the ideals of a relationship with the whole until you end up with a religion of variety and have evoked collective success. Amalgamate your intentions to a spirituality working the vibrations of whatever plane you are on, according to what you really profess. Predicate with a method of familiarity for the sake of communication that overrides the gaps in what each explicitly expresses. Dedicate your body to religiosity, and it will aid in experiencing what each confesses. Frustrated in your difference, identify your light and actualize it in the face of concourses. And I appreciate the art more. So some of the previous sections I personally liked more. But then again, this is the skeleton of some of those sermons, and some of those shows were, worth watching in entirety.